Yeah, welcome again to Hotolanla. Today is completely different. If you've ever asked yourself, how is this guy creating AI videos that look exactly like him? Does he really have a studio? How much is he spending? Then stay till the end of this video because today I'm teaching you everything. Why I'm sharing this? I'm not sharing this to brag. I'm sharing it because some of you can actually do this better than me. Some of you just need the first information, the A and B, and none is intending your A to Z. Watch till the end, every step matters. Before we start, what will you gain from this? Number one, you can make money creating videos even without showing your face. Number two, no stress of studio setup. AI builds your environment perfectly. Number three, if you don't learn this now, you'll be left behind. Now let the show begin. Let go! Step 1. Choose your niche. This is your starting point, and this is first mistake I made. No focus. I wanted to create everything. You must decide. Are you motivational? A teacher? A preacher? A storyteller? A relationship coach? Pick one direction. Clarity first.
Truth we they give them. No rush, just fight. Makes sense, no drama.
Now open ChatGPT on your phone. Ask, give me a profitable content niche for social media.
Now listen to me well, no dull yourself. This one no be noise, now real life help.
After choosing one niche, then ask again under my niche, give me 10 viral topics in this niche.
Hotolanla be man of truth, no be play, full of joy for heart.
That is simple as ABC. So now you have direction for 10 videos already. Then pick one out of it and start work on it by gain more knowledge about these topics. Step 3. Create your studio setup using ChatGPT plus Image AI.
You did this for me. Now I talk say, make your mind a fun. Yeah. Before they happen, I go and let you. Now you they hear me, make I welcome you. Oh. Hotolanla, say I'm a leaver. Hotolanla, truth we they give them. No rush, just fight. Makes sense, no drama. Hotolanla, voice of the people, na bana.
Now after you get the topics, you're ready to turn to video. Then the script is ready for use. Then tell ChatGPT. That is if your niche or topic is based on motivation. You can ask for any kind of professional area you want. It's ready to give you what you want. Describe the background, the lighting, the dress, the mood, the camera angle. The more detailed your prompt, the better your result. That becomes your studio or what you want your brand setting to be. Then let's move to step 4, create your script.
Light for way. If I talk, I'm a leaver. No defeat. Straight like road. No bend, no shake. If you know they inform, you did this form. Now I talk say, make your mind it.
Now let me remind you that the keys to success in the content journey using AI are focus and consistency. Now focus is the main key. You focus on one niche, which we have already talked about. Then under your niche, prepare at least 10 topics that can build your foundation to the niche you want to talk about. After that, prepare your studio for that one particular topics you want to talk about. Then create your script and which is stage we are now. Now wait for it, let it generate. Then edit it slightly to sound like you. Very important but not necessary. Always personalize your script so that it feels perfect, as if you're the one talking about it. Step 5. Use GOK app Scene Creation. Now open GOK app, download it on Play Store or use your iPhone. The link is on the description below. There is state plan and there is free version. But if you check all videos we have on this channel and all Hotolanla social media pages, we only use the free version of this same app. You can create up to 5 to 10 minutes video with free version by just set up your account with your Gmail. Sometimes it asks for a date of birth. Don't worry, use the one you like. So if you're like me, instead of creating a long 5 to 10 minutes video at once, I can create 2 minutes video with different topics. Although there is a way out of this, and I believe you can do the same. Hey, don't worry, I am going to make another video that will show you how you can continue using free version without paying it down. But to save our time, let's concentrate on how you can create videos first. So if you're like me, instead of creating a long 5 to 10 minutes video at once, I can create 2 minutes video with different topics, as people don't really want to watch long videos again. So set up with just your email, then the studios you create with your personal pictures. Paste your script, tell it. Break this into scene by scene video prompts. GOK will divide it into visual scenes.
Truth we dey give them. No rush, just fight. Make sense, no drama. Hotolala, voice of the people, Nabana.
Is the key. With faith, we can move mountains. Believe, and you will see miracles. My brother, your delay or denial, God is preparing your testimony. Rise in faith, your breakthrough is now. Your delay is not denial. God is preparing your testimony. Rise in faith, your breakthrough is now.
No defeat, straight like road, no bend, no shade. If you know they inform, you they disform. Now why I talk say, make your mind they form. Yeah. Before they happen, I go I let you. Now you they hear me, make I welcome you.
Jesus loves you, and he loves you so much. Tell someone beside you. Now you have multiple short AI clips. But let me tell you this, make sure every scene has characters, details, and reactions. Let me walk you through now. Continue watching.
Voice of the people, Nabana. Now listen to me well, no dull yourself. This one no be noise, now real life help. If now YouTube you they hear my voice.
You better make money now before you enter hellfire on earth. Then download all clips you create one after the other from GOK to your phone. Step 6. Edit with CapCut. I'll make another video on how to use CapCut freely without the watermark CapCut logo. Open CapCut. After you open your CapCut, import all the scenes you download to your phone from GOK, then arrange them in order. By confidence, then editing every scene one after the other, watch and rewatch, edit and re-edit until it's perfect to your tastes. Please don't rush on this, neither feel hurry up. Make this as real professional and as if you're going to pay for it. So do your job. To enhance your video, add background music, smooth transition titles, a slight zoom effect, and light color adjustments. Like I say, keep it clean and professional.
Truth we they give them. No rush, just fight. Make sense, no drama. Hotolala, voice of the people, Nabana. Now listen to me well, no dull yourself. This one no be noise, now real life help.
Your delay is not denial. God is preparing your testimony. Rise in faith, your breakthrough is now. Jesus loves you, and he loves you so much. Tell someone beside you.
No be play, full of joy for heart.
Next step now, how to create background music for video instead of using someone else's music. I wish I can share with you this step 7 on how to create your music that can fit with your content. But due to our time and length of this video, as you know, we don't want this video to be long for you so that you can capture and grab everything. But don't worry, I make an extra video that gives teachable caption on how to create your music. But that is why you need to subscribe, follow us on our social media pages, link is in our description. Subscribe to this YouTube so that you'll be the first to see new update from us. So let's continue. Since you've already edited your video perfectly, any music you use right now, keep it low level so that people can hear what your character is saying. Step 8. Export and post. Congratulations, your video is ready. Exploit your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram and TikTok with just only one video you make. Now, what is best export you need from CapCut? Make sure you export in 1080p. Not bad if you export 720p, but 1080 is the best. Now post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram Reels. Be consistent. Post at least 3 times a week. Let me tell you something. You don't need money. You don't need a laptop. You don't need a studio. All I used is my mobile phone. The only thing you need is decision. We are in the AI generation where every opportunity and ideas meet possibilities. It is in your hands, it's in my hands. You'll thank yourself in 3 years. If this helped you, like, share, and comment AI. This is Hatolanla, and I'll see you in the next one.
You dey this form. Now I talk say make your mind dey form.